Okay, we have lots of pumpkins from the allotment. But this pumpkin is from the allotment. I didn't have enough space in the home, in the windowsill. So I put them in the plastic box that we had just outside, in the open, in the allotment, beside the polytunnel, not inside it even, outside. I left it there, and I was thinking that probably it will rot. I have several there, and this is one of them. Now I came and I saw that this is fresh, as new. I washed it, now I'm going to cut it and eat.
Just hold it, but you didn't.
Okay, now I'm cutting the pumpkin. It's quite actually soft, so it didn't have the time to actually to cure itself, getting hard the skin outside. Okay, I cut it now. And now remember, this is one of those pumpkins that we grow for the first time. That they call it for Halloween. They use it for Halloween. You see the amount of the seeds and the little amount of the skin it has. The flesh actually. So that is it. But it has lasted. This is not today, it's the 17th of January 2016 and we harvested. Halloween was in the October, November when it was. Quite late it has survived. Just in a plastic. You don't expect it to survive actually in plastic because of the sweating and then with moisture they will molt. It will be covered in mold. So it's not moldy, just slightly here. So I'm going now to see how it is inside. Okay, now I have actually spooned it out. This is the pith with the seeds. It's one of those rubbish spoons that you use. So, remove that. I don't want to use my good spoons for this kind of jobs. Anyway, now this is the pith, and that's the rest of it is the flesh. And it don't look to be bad. Actually, it looks nice. I'm going to eat it. Okay, now I've cut it into pieces. I want to roast it probably. But wait, these are the pith. This is a tray I'm going to put the pumpkins in it. Just to experiment. See if I can roast it. Okay, now I have foiled the bottom of this. Lay down and now we season it. The pumpkins. It is 17th of January, we have pumpkin. This is a Halloween pumpkin. Some sugar will be nice, huh, to add to this. Yeah, a dash of oil also. Oh, looks yummy. Okay, now the sugar. Dermara sugar, huh? Brown sugar.
No. Demerara, dark.
Demerara, huh?
Yeah.
Dark sugar, anyway, brown sugar. That's the sugar which is not whitened by using phosphorus and other things.
Cane sugar.
And that's a plain cane sugar. It's more healthy. I heard from many people, traditional medicine practitioners, they were telling me so.
There we go, that will melt down.
Just hold on. Which gas number you're putting?
It's electric and it's 250 for about 45 minutes.
Okay, 45 minutes, so I'll just set it on 45.
Shall I put this in the thing?
Yes. No. I want to have some seeds.
Well, some of it's in. What do you want to do with it?
Okay, now
Oh,